Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Haniela's. Today I'm going to show you how to make these pretty wreath cookies. To make the cookies I used sugar cookie dough recipe, and to decorate I'm using royal icing. You can find both of these recipes on my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. And now let's get started with today's tutorial. Let's start by outlining and flooding the cookie with green royal icing, 15-second consistency. Use a needle tool to distribute the icing evenly. And then we're gonna let this dry before we move on to the next step. I'm going to airbrush the cookies, and to airbrush I will be using pearlescent airbrush food colors. First I'm going to use just a pearl, which is pretty much like a white, I would say, or it has no color to it, but it has a nice sheen. And now I'm using green. I'm using a small piece of cardstock. To make the berries, I'm using mini M&Ms. So I got some red M&Ms in the bowl, and I'm going to dust these with red luster dust. So these will be our holly berries. To make the leaves, I'm using green royal icing. To make a leaf tip, cut a V-shaped opening on your piping bag. Icing when making leaves should be thick, but it shouldn't be overly stiff. So now we can pipe 3 leaves. And while the icing is wet, I'm going to attach 3 chocolate berries, and that's how you can make these pretty Christmas wreath cookies. Super simple, right? I love how these turned out, and I hope you do too. Let me know in a comment section down below. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to give it thumbs up. And for those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.